Go home happy with the 2018 Lincoln Continental. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a graceful, tech-rich Continental that's waiting to wrap you in luxury. This full-size sedan blends understated elegance, a host of amenities, modern connectivity, a smooth, spacious passenger experience, and the latest safety features to bring you the ultimate in comfort and security. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Life just got better. Savor the richness of indulgence in this well-appointed Continental. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.